So I've recently discovered that you can train crows and ravens. I think that's pretty cool. Well, I'm sure you can train many different types of birds. But I've never thought about crows before. Those things are huge. I remember one of the first folk tales. Or is it a fable? Or is a fable and a folk tale the same thing? I remember reading one of those, and I remember that story about the crow dropping pebbles into a jar so that the water level would rise, so that the thirsty crow could get a little sip of the water. Really like that story. I wonder if someone actually had observed someone doing it, and someone doing it, the crow doing it, the crow is into someone. If someone had observed the crow dropping pebbles into a jar, and they decided to write the story based off the crow. Probably. I mean, crows seem intelligent enough to be able to do stuff like that. I definitely want one. Probably could teach me.